Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing this kit here. I just tore it open. This Hong Deck, I guess that's how you would say it, all-in-one action camera accessories kit. This has pretty much everything you need if you use GoPros, action cameras, you know, whatever. So it does fit GoPro. A lot of them does not fit the lock-in mechanism. This actually does, because I actually have one of the pieces connected to this right now that's holding this camera to my chest rig. So let's go ahead and, like I said, just pull this off. Same thing on both sides, and then just let's get into it. Let's see what all's in there. So as you can see, lots. So as you can see, lots is in here. Get a little booklet here, and it shows you everything that comes with it. We're actually going to be taking some stuff out of this and giving it away today, like the chest rig. I don't need, I have one. The head strap, I don't need, I have one. And this is good if you guys want to do stick cam, you know, put your controller here and show your sticks. That's really good. So stay tuned, stick with us. You might not or you might need one, and who knows, might get picked. Anyway, I might give this away too, because I actually have the GoPro one. Maybe the tripod. Anything that I pretty much don't need, because I don't need all this stuff just laying around. So it's got the like 3-way extension. It's kind of okay tripod thing, like adjustable arm tripod slash thing. I think this is cool, the little wrench. I've never saw that come with the kits before, so I thought that was pretty nice. But anyway, you got everything in here that just you could do whatever with. So it gives you, you know, shows you what it's got going on here and stuff. And we'll have a link down in the description in below if you know, if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. But anyway, we are testing out the 7 Rhymes iRay DW30 as we're doing this. I got it on my chest, and we have the mic here, the receiver. So it's I'm going to compare that to the GoPro. So we got a floaty device thing here, as they showed in the book, which that's okay. I probably never just mess with the water. So here is that clip I was telling you guys about. So we'll just toss that over to the side, so we'll never give that away. This is a wrist strap. Just got the bicycle ends. We'll just go through this. This is going to be the chest rig. Throw that to the side, give that away. This is going to be the head strap, right? Yes. Give that away. This is a mount here. This is actually what I have the GoPro mounted to right now. It kind of slides in. So all this does lock into the GoPro, fits GoPro stuff is what I'm saying. This is for like your back strap or your backpack. You kind of just put this on the part that goes over your shoulder, and you can strap a GoPro on. Really cool. This is just like an extender. It has tons of everything. We'll give this away. Toss that over there. This is the clamp for your dash. You want to put it in your window. This is the extendy arm thingy dingy. Another extension if you kind of want to get that angle. But just extra pads, like just stick-ons for mounting, spare pads for when you're removing them, putting them back on, lugs, which I will give a lug away with one of those, and a piece to use it, obviously, one of these, so you know, not give you something you can't use. This is just a random strap, tells you in there what it's used for. This is for like your tripod stuff. These are just some extra cushions, some Skittles. This is just another mount. Like I said, it gives you everything. Here's your tool I was showing you. So you guys know some of them lugs are hard to get off, so this guy actually just fits on and just tightens down. Pretty cool. And here's another just like pieces. Kind of, I guess you two-way tape that to something and put that around the camera. More than likely for water sports. So anyway, this kit has everything that you possibly could need, in my eyes. So like I said, I'm gonna give one of these out with it. Actually, they both have the, yes, they both actually have the lug on it. That does. This one does not. So let's pull one of them pieces out, toss it aside as well, and a lug. These are the most important part. Looks like two short ones and a long one. Give up one of the long ones. Alright. So, let's get that out of the way. I have tons of stuff to review. I got a nice tripod in the other day. This thing's really cool. You can wrap it around anything. I'll be doing this, see all this? I'll be doing a review on this too. Yep. So here's some 3-inch props. I think these are 3-inch. Yes. So 3-inch, 4-inch. Just a box of miscellaneous props. There's some 5 inches down in there, as you can see. I hope we're seeing everything. Yeah, you can see everything. So I'm gonna give this box away with whatever's in there. The head strap, the lug and the locking piece for this. This will slide down in there and allow you to attach your camera to that. Really cool. If you don't know what the chest rig is, check it out. That thing is usually $20 to $30, the GoPro one. So anyway, here's the clip. This thing is pretty cool. So you can take and more or less just mount your GoPro to anything. Like, you know, with the clip. And then spins. Pretty cool. So, you want some accessories for your camera. You want some 4-inch props, miscellaneous 4-inch props, 5-inch props, 3-inch props. The tripod, this thing is kind of, I'm not going to lie to you, it's not going to hold the camera up, you know, as far as you can tilt the camera over. It will tip over, so be careful. But lighter action cameras, this thing will work fine for. Wrap it around anything, kind of like a smaller version of the bigger one I just showed you. So there you have it. I want to do this giveaway because, as you guys can see, I have gained some new subscribers on my channel. So I just want to go ahead and just say thank you. Congrats to myself, I guess. I don't know. But I just wanted to do a giveaway. I get lost for words after a while. So stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, we got some more stuff coming together. Got a probably going to do, you know, I should do this too. I'm gonna give this away too. All but the motors. I'm not giving away the motors. I'll say it again. I'm not giving away the motors, but I will give away the frame. This is a Kin FPV Ayla, and yeah, I have camera mounts for it. If you're into the blue, I have a whole stack of blue stuff for it. So I'm gonna take the motors off of this, take tape off of it. It's brand new, it's never been flown, and we're gonna throw that in the box too. Alright, being generous today. I'm looking around. That's what we're gonna end it with. And I'll throw a MD95 TSI, some slaps in there, and some Drone Network slaps for you. Okay? How to enter for this? Leave me a comment down below. Just put, I want the box. That simple. Then we will do, I'm almost pretty sure we have a random wheel picker coming. One of the old fashioned that you click kind of thing. So we'll do that. We'll put everybody's name on there. Rate it with like it's like a dry erase thing. So write everybody's name on there and we'll just spin the wheel. That way it's not no electronic stuff like a lot of those other channels do, and they can put like a star near your name and you don't see it, and you will be picked to win that, right? You won't have to worry about this here. We're all honest here. We're going to just honestly give this away. I'm not tism no one on this, just straight up. If you want it, just put I want the box in a comment down below. We're gonna get that wheel and we'll spin it, and if it's not coming, we'll make it get here. So that's simple. We'll order it and get it in, and we will pick a winner. What's today? November. I'm lost on days, let me think. First, second, third. This is the 3rd. So we'll pick it on, let's do 2 weeks from now. Well, we'll say 2 weeks from now if I got the wheel coming. But anyway, if you want the box, just say it. Anyway, you know where I'm getting at. You know what I'm doing. So remember, again, I'm taking the motors off. You're not getting the motors. I'm keeping the motors, but everything else in the box is yours. There's some GoPro stuff in there again. Mounts for the ELA. The just crops, 5-inch, 4-inch, 3-inch. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and much appreciated to all the new subscribers that I've picked up. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my channel. I do bring different stuff. Like I said, we're trying out the 7 Rhymes iRay DW30 wireless mics at the moment. So yeah, I might have drugged this on, but it's a good box right here. Okay, if you want it, comment down below I want the box. That's simple. We'll put your name in, one comment only. We'll put your name in, then when we get ready, like I said, we'll put it on the wheel, we'll spin it, and good luck to everybody. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel.